Wait! Before you consider skipping this video, I have a question for you. How many hours of sleep did you get last night? If it's less than 7, brace yourself. You might be taking years off your life. That's right. Not enough sleep doesn't just make you groggy. It destroys your brain, leads to unwanted weight gain, and can even increase your risk of heart disease. But don't worry, I'm here to change that. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal how sleep is the most powerful health weapon that you're not using to its full potential. And trust me, you'll want to stick around, because I've got 5 game-changing habits that will have you sleeping like a baby tonight. Make yourself comfortable in your armchair, and let's see what it's all about. Let's investigate what happens in your brain during sleep. When you rest, your brain goes into maintenance mode. It processes all the information you've absorbed throughout the day, stores important memories, and eliminates waste. One of this waste is beta amyloid, a protein that, when it builds up, can clog the spaces between brain cells. Over time, these clumps are linked to Alzheimer's disease. Studies show that just a poor night's sleep can increase the level of beta amyloid in your brain. If it doesn't show up, your brain clumps, and your cognitive abilities suffer. Now, let's talk about what happens when you don't get enough sleep over time. It's not just about feeling tired. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to serious conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even a weakened immune system. Here's a surprising fact. People who consistently sleep less than 6 hours a night have a 20% higher risk of heart attack. Your body uses sleep to repair cells, reduce inflammation, and regulate hormones like cortisol, which control stress, creeps in, leading to weight gain, mood swings, and increased risk of disease. Here's something many people don't realize. Insufficient sleep could be the reason you're struggling to lose weight. Sleep deprivation disrupts the balance of 2 key hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin increases your appetite, while leptin signals when you're full. When you're sleep deprived, ghrelin levels rise, making you feel hungrier, while leptin levels drop, so you don't feel satisfied. Ready to improve your sleep and transform your health? Here are 5 powerful habits you can start tonight to sleep better and feel amazing. 1. Set a regular sleep schedule. Your body craves consistency, like a car running on a stopwatch. Think about how easily you wake up on the weekend without an alarm if you kept a regular schedule during the week. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even at the weekend, you're training your internal clock, called your circadian rhythm. This habit helps you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. Think of it like taking a train. If you miss the right sleeping window, you'll struggle to fall asleep later. One study found that people who follow a consistent sleep schedule report better quality sleep and are more alert during the day. So, if you're tired of procrastinating, start setting a bedtime reminder and watch your mornings transform. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Think about your pre-sleep routine, like warming up before exercise. You wouldn't jump straight into a workout without stretching, right? Your brain needs time to relax after a long day, especially if you've been staring at screens. Avoid phones, laptops, or TV at least 30 minutes before bedtime. They emit blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Instead, try reading a book, doing gentle stretches, or meditating. Take Michael, a busy executive who struggled with insomnia for years. Once he started doing 10 minutes of meditation and reading a chapter of his favorite book before bed, not only did he fall asleep faster, He felt calmer throughout the day. Simple, right? But it changed his life. Be careful with caffeine and alcohol. We all love coffee, but did you know that caffeine can stay in the body for up to 12 hours? So your 3 p.m. latte could be the reason you're tossing and turning at midnight. And while alcohol may make you feel sleepy initially, it disrupts your sleep cycle, causing you to wake up tired and restless. If you like caffeine, try limiting it after lunch and switch to decaffeinated tea or herbal tea in the evening. For example, Susan, a mother of 2, used to enjoy a glass of wine before bedtime to unwind, but woke up groggy every morning. Having cut out alcohol during the week and switched to chamomile tea, she now wakes up feeling energized, and her sleep tracker shows a dramatic improvement in her deep sleep stages. Improve your sleep environment. Think of your bedroom as a sleep sanctuary. The cooler, darker, and quieter your room, the better you sleep. Research shows that the optimal room temperature for sleep is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. Invest in opaque curtains, use a fan or air conditioner, and keep noise to a minimum. Even your mattress and pillows can make or break your sleep. If you've been waking up with aches and pains, it might be time for an upgrade. For example, David, who works long hours as a software engineer, was waking up tired even after 8 hours of sleep. Once he switched to a memory foam mattress and kept his room cool and dark, he noticed a huge difference. His productivity soared during the day as his body got the deep rest it needed. 5. Use sleep technology. If you're really struggling, modern technology can help you improve your sleep. White noise machines block out disruptive sounds. Sleep apps can guide you through relaxation exercises, and smart sleep tracking tools can monitor your sleep cycles, helping you adjust your habits. Some apps even offer personalized advice based on your sleep patterns. For example, John, a night shift nurse, had a hard time sleeping during the day with all the noise around. A white noise machine and a smart sleep monitor that gave him information about his REM cycles made all the difference. Now, even with a chaotic schedule, he manages to sleep peacefully for 7 hours. Real-life examples of the impact of sleep on performance. Did you know that LeBron James sleeps 12 hours a day during the NBA season? Or that Jeff Bezos prioritizes 8 hours of sleep for better decision-making? Quality sleep isn't just for rest, it's for peak performance. If you want to excel at work, in your sport, or even in your personal life, it's essential to get the sleep you need. Ultimately, sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's about protecting your brain, boosting your health, and optimizing your performance in everything you do. By prioritizing your sleep and adopting these 5 powerful habits, you can transform not just your nights, but your whole life. Remember, better sleep leads to improved health, sharper focus, and improved mood. All the ingredients for a happier, more productive you. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it a secret. Share it with friends and family so they can benefit too. And if you'd like to continue your journey to optimal health and wellness, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Join our community for more eye-opening information and helpful tips to help you live your best life. Together, let's unlock the full potential of your health, one video at a time. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.